Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Sonic Cleaner is probably one of the most innovative gadgets you can get for maintaining the pristine condition of your eyewear, offering a hands-free and highly effective solution to remove smudges, fingerprints, and even stubborn grime that traditional cleaning methods often miss, ensuring your glasses are always crystal clear for optimal vision and a polished appearance. Number 5. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve spotless lenses with our powerful yet gentle formula. This kit includes 2 bottles of our alcohol-free cleaner, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your eyeglasses, screens, and cameras. Our specially designed microfiber cloths are included to provide a streak-free shine, leaving your surfaces looking like new. Experience the quality of a product proudly made in the USA. It's designed for durability and performance. This comprehensive 4-piece set has everything you need to keep your essential devices clean and clear. Keep your eyeglasses, phone screens, and camera lenses in pristine condition. It's the perfect solution for everyday clarity. What we like. This spray kit offers a gentle, alcohol-free clean perfect for everyday use. It comes with microfiber cloths for immediate polishing. If you prioritize a safe, non-irritating formula for your glasses and screens, this is a great choice. What people say. This sonic cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from glasses, leaving them sparkling clean. The compact design makes it easy to store and travel with, and it's surprisingly quiet during operation. It has multiple cleaning modes to suit different types of lenses and frames, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Number 4. Magnasonic 20 ounces Ultrasonic Cleaner. For over 15 years, we've been the industry leader in deep cleaning solutions. Our product effectively removes dirt and grime from even the most hard-to-reach areas. Make your valuables shine like diamonds. It's perfect for jewelry, glasses, watches, dental items, and so much more. It utilizes ultrasonic waves to generate millions of microscopic bubbles. This ensures an all-around deep clean, reaching every crevice and cavity. Simply add tap water and select one of the 5 cleaning modes. Choose from a quick clean to a deep clean using the digital display. The large 20 ounces stainless steel tank is built to last. It offers protection against corrosion and scratches, ensuring safe handling of your items. What we like. With its generous tank size and multiple cleaning cycles, this ultrasonic cleaner tackles a wide range of items. If you need a versatile cleaner for various valuables like jewelry, watches, and eyeglasses, and appreciate precise control over cleaning time, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very easy to use, just add water and press the button. It cleans my glasses very well, removing all the dirt and smudges. The compact design makes it easy to store and carry around. Number 3. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, CD2800. Introducing the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It cleans your valuable items like jewelry, eyeglasses, and watches in just minutes using simple tap water. Harnessing the power of 42,000 ultrasonic energy waves, it creates millions of tiny bubbles. These bubbles gently yet effectively remove stubborn dirt and grime for a brilliant shine. Operating this device is incredibly simple. Just press the on button for a 3-minute cleaning cycle, and it automatically shuts off. Enjoy a quiet and consistent clean every time. It features a spacious 20 ounces stainless steel tank, allowing you to clean both small and large items. They can be fully submerged for a thorough cleaning experience. Achieve professional cleaning results with ease. This cleaner is perfect for both home and commercial use, ensuring your items look their best. For an even deeper clean, you can add a small amount of detergent to the tap water. This will further enhance its ability to tackle tough blemishes. What we like. This model provides a quick and efficient clean with its 3-minute cycle and quiet operation. If you're looking for a straightforward, professional-grade cleaner for both home and commercial use that gets the job done fast, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is very easy to use and the cleaning effect is very good. The cleaning effect is very good, and the glasses are very clean after cleaning. Number 2. KUNPHY Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Experience a powerful clean with advanced ultrasonic technology. Its high-frequency sound waves reach every crevice, dislodging even stubborn dirt for a 360 degrees clean. Cleaning has never been easier. With a simple one-touch control and a 3-minute auto timer, you can achieve sparkling results without constant supervision. Enjoy a quiet cleaning experience, operating below 45 dB for a peaceful environment. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel and easy storage. From delicate jewelry and glasses to makeup brushes and dentures, it handles a variety of items with its generous 350 ml capacity. We stand by our product with a 1-year quality commitment. Our customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours for a seamless experience. What we like. Designed for convenience, this cleaner is compact, portable, and operates quietly with simple one-touch control. If you travel frequently or have limited space and want a hassle-free way to clean your glasses and jewelry, this is an ideal companion. What people say. It is very easy to use, just add water and press the button. The ultrasonic waves it produces are very effective at removing dirt and grime from glasses. It is also very quiet when it is running, which is a nice feature. Number 1. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner Solution, 2-pack. Introducing our powerful jewelry cleaner solution, designed to bring back the sparkle to your treasured pieces. This concentrated formula is perfect for all your fine jewelry. Effortlessly remove dirt and grime from diamonds, gold, silver, and more. Our solution works wonders with any ultrasonic cleaning machine. Get more cleaning power with our concentrated formula. Each bottle contains 8 ounces of solution, providing excellent value and effective results. Trust in the quality of our product, proudly made in the USA. We ensure the highest standards for your jewelry care needs. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have enough solution on hand. Keep your jewelry looking its best with this essential cleaning duo. What we like. This concentrated cleaning solution is designed to enhance the performance of your ultrasonic cleaner. If you already own an ultrasonic machine and want to maximize its cleaning power for all your precious items, this 2-pack offers great value and effectiveness. What people say. It has a compact design and is very easy to use. It cleans my glasses very well and makes them look like new. The ultrasonic cleaning technology is very effective at removing dirt and grime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.